So this is the view from the front door, looking straight ahead into the office, which faces east. To the right, by the front door, is the coat closet, which is a good size. And then continuing down the hallway to the left is the laundry area. Two really good size Samsung washer dryers. And then continuing ahead into the office or study. Have a beautiful view looking east over downtown. And then this is the view off the patio. The patio is big enough to have a couple chairs and a table and some plants. Directly opposite here is the convention center, which they're adding to. As you can see, there's a lot of construction here in Charlotte. The tall building to the left there is the Duke Energy Center. And to the right there is the NASCAR Hall of Fame and office. And then going through this door into the master bedroom, which you can go into via the office or the hall. It's a good size. I think it will fit a king size. The bed on the far wall here. And then again, the view of the city east. My dresser and TV can go on the far wall. And then the master bath, which is a decent size. Has a glass enclosed walk-in shower, which has a repair outstanding apparently. And then the dual vanity with the granite, or the countertop there. And then large walk-in closet. Great to have all this storage space. And then walking back out to the hall, there's a really generously sized half bath for guests. And then around and back. I'm gonna skip the best to last. So I'll show you the guest bedroom first. So good sized guest bedroom, definitely room for a queen size with views north. So that's actually my hotel right next to us, so it was very convenient for touring. And that's I-277 just to the west there. Down below you can see the beautiful pool area. It's like an L-shaped pool, really big. Lots of cabanas and seating and barbecue pits and whatnot. This is the ensuite to the guest room, which is self-contained, which is nice because you've got that other half bath. Here you have a nice deep soaking tub and for linen, and another large walk-in closet. So yeah, more storage. So now out into the great room. So here's the kitchen. Has kind of a waterfall counter, room enough for 2 seats. It's not a huge island, but really great appliances. Side by side fridge with an under freezer, cold water and ice dispenser, really nice backsplash, marble tile backsplash, a gas range, which I'm really excited about, and a really good quality oven with fan assist as well, and an under counter microwave. And then I really like these cupboards. It seems a small thing, but lots and lots of storage space, which I sure don't have in my current kitchen. And then looking out here into the great room, which is really a big space, probably would put a dining table on that side. And then over here, I'll have room in the back corner for something else. I don't know what yet. And plenty of room for my sectional my media unit, my TV on this wall. And so here we look north. The office is actually under construction, the new one, is about 3 blocks north of here. And the current office, the temporary one, is about 10 minutes, but more towards the center, the dead center of uptown Charlotte. And right under this building is the Whole Foods Market. So I feel incredibly lucky. I think it's really beautiful, and I've signed the lease and I'm super excited. The only other thing I'd show you, just a little detail, one I like, is it has a Nest thermostat. I love to be able to control everything with an app. So super exciting. Here you can kind of see all of the natural light. And although this is the 13th floor, still get a really amazing view of downtown, or what they call uptown.